Good evening, I'm Justin Betty. Tonight, the Wisconsin Department of Health Services announced a third person in Wisconsin has tested positive for coronavirus. Of those three, two are from the Madison area, one is from Pierce County. But medical professionals in central and northern Wisconsin know the virus could reach our area any day. But that doesn't mean you need to panic. Newswatch 12's Dan Hagan joins us now live in studio with more. Dan.
Justin, some people fearful of coronavirus have resorted to wearing respiratory masks. But experts say these should only be worn if you actually have an infection. It's just one piece of misinformation that has been spread in the wake of a spreading virus. Today, I spoke to a doctor in Wausau to kick off our series on facts, not fear. Dr. Chad Radke is washing his hands perhaps a bit more vigorously nowadays. He's also been getting a few more phone calls about coronavirus.
Common questions that people are asking are if they are at risk because family members, friends have traveled and they've been in contact with them.
Radke says it's hard to diagnose over the phone because its symptoms are so similar to influenza or a severe cold. But he'd much rather have phone calls than people coming in. For milder symptoms, Radke says, contact your primary care physician. They can set you up with a test if necessary. He recommends people to only come in if they are experiencing shortness of breath, chest pain, or a very high fever.
I don't want to be the person who says it's coming to central Wisconsin, but I think the likelihood that it's going to hit many areas in America is very likely.
But he says there is no need to panic.
I think prepare, not panic, is the best way to proceed.
Aspirus Wausau staff reevaluate their coronavirus preparedness plan every day. This includes all staff meetings and talking with local partners. Dr. Radke believes people over 60 should prepare to self-quarantine as well. This is because they are at a higher risk for severe complications from coronavirus.
So if it comes to our area, you want to be prepared with food at home, have someone, if you need medications, be able to get them for you, and not venture out into large crowds.
And of course, wash your hands. In Wausau, Dan Hagan, Newswatch 12.